Yeah. Molly's helping me read. Come on, Molly. Settle down. Settle down, chicken bird. That's her last name, by the way. Molly Chicken Bird. Yeah. Settle down, baby one. Shh. Okay. Whoops. Settle down. Settle down. It's okay. Settle down, Molly. Come on. Settle down. There. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Come on, settle down. Have a nap. Molly. 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 Come on. Settle down. There we go. That's a good girl. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's a sweet baby. There, she's going to sleep.